Yo, what's up, traders? You know what I'm saying? I'm here, guys. I'm kidding so far. USDCHF. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, I'm kidding USDCHF. So I'm about to show you guys the reason why I took this trade, and I'm also kidding Euro CHF. So I'm gonna show you guys both these two trades, and I want to show the reason why I took these trades. I think there's something you guys want to know about it. And guys, you know, today's Friday, first week of the month. As you know, we always have NFP news, so today's gonna be a very big day, guys, in the market. You know what I'm saying? So if you're scared, guys, you better stay outside the market, because the market, it's going to move crazy at I haven't checked the news yet what time it's gonna be, but as soon as I'm done with you guys with the video, and I'm saying I'm gonna check the news, and I'm gonna expect you to kill the news, guys. I'll upload on this channel, guys, to show you how we kill the news. You know what I'm saying? So if you're new to the channel, man, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like you want to join the free telegram group, the link is always on the description below, guys. You know what I'm saying? So guys, as I said to you guys, in this time, guys, I'm going to let you know everything behind forex market, behind the market, until I make sure you guys become a master. If you're going to be following this channel right now, you're going to learn everything about how to make money forex market for free. You know what I'm saying? So all you need, stay subscribed. You know what I'm saying? That's all, so that whenever I upload a new video, you're going to be the first person to catch it. So make sure once you subscribe, make sure you hit that ring bell, so that whenever I upload a new tip, you're gonna be the first person to catch it. So let's get to the market, guys. Let me show you the reason why I took these two trades with my team. You know what I'm saying? And I will show you how many pips are going to move. It's going to be crazy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope it's going to be crazy, man, for sure. So let's get to the chat, guys. I hope to see you on the chat. Peace. Make sure you watch the full video, man. So as you can see here, we got USDCHF. As you can see, USDCHF. So I'm gonna show you guys the reason why I took this entry, you know what I'm saying, so that you can do the same as well. You can see the first of all, guys, the market has been trending on uptrend. As you can see here, we got the trend line, you know what I'm saying, and the market has been displaying the trend line. You can see the first time was to the at this point, gave us the continuation, came back to the trend line, continuation, and pull back the trend line. And then after that, you can see here we got a zone, you know what I'm saying. You can see here on the zone we got some double top here. Here's the double top, and then after double top I just pull up the zone, you know what I'm saying. And then at this point, guys, after I pull up the zone, I wasn't near the market. I was, you know, I went far away from the market. So once I came back, the market was already at this point. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, at this point, I'm gonna take the opportunity, but you know, I went to sleep, you know what I'm saying? And then I woke up, the market was already gone, you know what I'm saying? And the market, once the market gone, like you were expecting to end the market, and then you come back, you find the market is already gone. Don't stress yourself, because you know the market, you need to let the market move, so that the market can be able to give you more, you know, more, to give you more I mean, you must let the market move, so that the market can be able to give you more opportunities, you know what I'm saying. So after that, the market blocked the trend line. Then I was like, yo, this is a cool thing, because I've been, you know, it's also a good opportunity to let the market, you know, the market to break the trend line, because I can see, like, now this is the new trend that is coming, which we're coming to the downtrend, you know what I'm saying. And I let the market break the trend line, you know what I'm saying. And then I've been waiting for the pullback to the trend line, because I knew that after this point around here, you can see here, it's gonna come back to the trend line. And the market gave us the pullback right here, and then we put up the zone, the stop loss right here, and then we entered the market. So now we actually moving in 50%, 50%, you know what I'm saying, which is not bad, you know what I'm saying. And we expect to keep this market, guys, all the way from there, all the way from here all the way to this point right here, which is going to be some like enough pips. Enough pips for sure. So as you can see here as well, we got a Euro GBP. I'm gonna show you the reason why I took this Euro GBP as well. And Euro GBP, you can see the analysis. The market has been moving in between support and resistance. As you can see, support and resistance, guys. The market has been moving in between support and resistance. And then after that, what happened? The market blocked the support. You can see it's been also moving to the zone. You know what I'm saying? And after that, the market blocked the support. After that, the market gave us some pullback. Was this one right here? You know what I'm saying? Pullback was this one right here. But at the time the market has been going to the pullback, it's been giving us some channel, which I was, I didn't have a choice. I had to put the other support, because whatever the market trying to show you some like high lows, high lows. At the second high low, you need to put the trend line in order to catch the market nicely, to be able to understand the structure of the market. So after that, you can see here, and then after 40 touch, broke the trend line. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, broke the trend line. So that means we're moving in downtrend. So guys, this is what you need to know about the market. Whatever you see the blockout, then you know this is your good opportunity to continue killing the market if you were selling the currency. If the market broke on uptrend, then you know it's your opportunity to keep killing the market as a buyer. So now we expect to shoot down until to this point over here. Now it's too much pips. So as you can see, Euro GBP, you know what I'm saying, we're also killing Euro GBP right now. Yes sir. So this is going to be our exit as a seller, this one right here. But guys, I hope you understand everything behind the reason why I took these two trades from USDCHF, as you can see here, and you can see broke the trend line. Now we're gonna go crazy all the way to 150 pips. Yo, it's going to be amazing though, amazing. In the team, we're going to make a lot of money. This is going to be our exit from USDCHF. This one right here. You can see, guys, this was 1 to 5, 1 to 6, something like that. So this was the reason why I took this trade. So make sure you subscribe. See you on the next one.